Okay, let's start with the eyes. We'll do two simple circle shapes. And we'll leave a little gap between the eyes. The inside of the eyes we're going to make longer oval shapes, and they'll be closer to the middle. Then we'll do the nose, which is a little triangle in the middle between the two eyes. Then we'll do a dinner roll shape for his head, and that's kind of an oval shape. Go all the way around using curved lines. Next we'll do the whiskers. He's got thick whiskers, and there's two on each side, one pointing up and the other one pointing down. Next we'll do his ears, and they are just an oval shape going straight up. Almost look like rabbit ears. And then the inner ear is going to be very close to the first lines. And it's the exact same shape. And it's okay if they're touching a little bit because we're going to fill it in later with some black. On the bottom of the ear, on the inside of the ear, we're going to put two little tick lines. And now we'll do the legs. It's going to curve down and then a little kind of a circle on the bottom. And the exact same thing on the other side. And so his toes are pointing outwards. And then straight down. Next we'll draw his hind legs behind him. And we'll just tuck it in underneath. We won't put too much detail because when he's black, it's hard to see what he is. The tail is just a long oval that goes straight up, almost like a French baguette. Now the whiskers, it looks like I need to extend them a little bit. So I'm just putting a little bit more of a line on the end there. Then I'll go over the lines for some line quality. I'm filling in the ears. And I'll outline some of these lines a little bit more. There, I think we're ready to color. We'll just use some gray. And he's done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.